Good morning, my dear students. Today topic is overlap save method. So in this overlap save method, having two methods are there. First method we have to observe. Okay. So this is the given question x of n. X of n is equal to the given set of sequence is 1, 2, minus 1, 2, 3, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 1. This is the given input sequence. Okay. Next, given h of n. Given h of n is equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is the given problem. How we have to solve this problem in overlap save method. Okay. So in this above given problem, first h of n. First h of n. What is the sequence length here? So h of n sequence length should be 3. How we have to get 3? 1, 2, 3. So length should be 3. Next, coming to the x of n. Given question x of n. X of n, the sequence length should be 12. So we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sequence length should be 12. Okay. Now finally what we have to achieve the answer, the total sequence. How we have to calculate means their length should be 12 input sequence plus 3 h of n sequence minus 1. Then we have to get 14. Okay, your answer is 14. Your final sequence length output should be 14. We have to remember this. Okay, then after how we have to solve the problem. So first here m is equal to 3, that is h of n sequence length, and ls. ls is nothing but total input length sequence, that is 12. Clear? Next, the sequence length should be the sequence length should be, see here, total 12 sequence length should be 12. Okay, this is the complicated. So easily how we have to divide this length means we have to divide it. The length should be n is equal to 4. That let I have to assuming here n is equal to 4. Okay, so here total length is equal to n minus m plus 1. Now how your length should be, what is you are assuming here? 4. 4 minus h of n length should be 3 plus 1. We get 2. Length should be 2. Now this total length should be, we have to divide it to 2 blocks. Okay, clear? The question should be, now we have to divide it to 2 blocks. Okay, now we have to solve easily. This is total length sequence. At that time we can't do this problem. So that purpose we have to easily modulate this problem. Okay. So how we have to modulate this problem means the length should be 2. So total length should be, we have to divide it to 2 blocks. Okay. So this is the fundamental basic representation. Now how we have to calculate it? Input x1 of n, x2 of n up to so on. Now we have to observe here x1 of n. So here x1 of n, the value should be, how we have to achieve this value means your length. What is the length we have to assuming n is equal to 4. Okay. So all input sequence length should be 4 if we have to remember here. Okay. How we have to write first length sequence? So here the length sequence, the given question 1, 2 is the first block. Okay, 1, 2. So before what we have to do, we have to add 2 padding zeros. To add 2 padding zeros, that is 2 zeros. 1 is equal to 2. Now we have to substitute here before 2 zeros, then comma 1, 2. Then after x2 of n, we have to find out x2 of n. How we have to find out this x2 of n means, what is the value we have to achieve? We have to just write second sequence starting we have to replace 1, 2. Okay. Then after what is we have to get in minus 1, 2. Next we have to replace here. Okay. Next common 3, minus 2. Okay. Then after this 3, minus 2, again we have to write starting sequence. Then after we have to take the minus 3, minus 1. Okay, next minus 3, minus 1, we have to write starting sequence. Then after we have to note down this 1, 1. Next 1, 1, we have to write the starting sequence in x6 of n. Next 2, minus 1. Next last one is x7 of n. 2, minus 1. After 2, minus 1, no values are there. Okay, starting we have to using how many zeros, that many zeros we have to, ending of the sequence we have to write 2 zeros. Okay, this is the input sequence. How we have to find out, this is the method for overlap save method. Next, then after we have to find out the output sequence y of n representation. So here using how we have to find out the y of n representation using the convolution method. Using the convolution method. So the convolution formula is output y of n is equal to input into impulse, x of n into h of n, right? But here x of n is nothing but x1 of n, x2 of n, x3 of n. So each and every input sequence we have to find out. Okay? So how we have to find out here? y1 of n is equal to x1 of n convolution of h of n. This is the fundamental formula. So I am finding out first sequence, input sequence x1 of n, then output should be y1 of n. y1 of n is equal to x1 of n convolution h of n. Okay. So here what is x1 of n value? 0, 0, 1, 2. Okay. I have to write here 0, 0, 1, 2. Okay. Then after what is h of n? What is given question h of n? h of n is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we have to write vertically column wise 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is the first column. Next, we have to write in matrix form representation. What is the first column, last value, last sample value that should be occupied the second column first position. Okay, this is 4. Next, this 1 should be shifted here, 2 is shifted here, next 3. Okay, next what is the last value? Last value, second column, last value should be occupied by the third column, first position. Okay, 3, 4, 1, 2. Again 2 also same, 2, 3, 4, 1. This is the circular convolution representation. This is 4 by 4 matrix representation. Now, then after what we have to do matrix representation, first row and this column. When we have to multiply, what is your answer? See here, 1 into 0, 0, 4 into 0, 0, 3 into 1, 3, plus again 2 into 2, 4. Okay, so this is the representation first. Next, second row, what is the answer? 2 into 0, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 4 ones are 4, plus 3 into 2, 6. Next, third row, 3, 0, second also 0, and next 1 into 1 plus 4 into 2, 8. Next, last 2 values zeros, next 2 ones are 2 plus 1 into 2, 2. So what is the final answer? y1 of n is equal to, in sequence representation we have to write 7, 10, 9, 4. This is the y1 of n representation. Same like that we have to find out y2 of n, y3 of n, y4 of n, up to so on y7 of n. y1 of n is equal to 7, 10, 9, 4. Same we have to solve y2 of n, y3 of n, y4 of n, y5 of n, y6 of n, y7 of n. Okay. So here the value should be y1 of n, y2 of n, y3 of n, y4 of n, y5, y6, y7. These are the output values representation. Okay. So before what we have to do in input side, we have to adding two parity zeros. Okay, pairing zeros. So we have to remove that pairing zeros here representation. Means starting whatever the we have to using length L is equal to 2. So the whatever the in that sequence length is 4 is there. So we have to maintain L is equal to 2 representation. We have to adding pairing zeros, right? We have to eliminate that zeros representation. Now we have to eliminate starting sequence length. Okay, we have to remove this, and then after we have to consider y1 of n, the sequence whatever the present values is there. After removing these values, after what values are represented, we have to consider that values 1, 4. Okay, we have to write 1, 4. Next, second sequence, the value should be 6, 6. Next, 4, 10. Then after 2 comma minus 13 and next minus 10 comma 0 and 7 comma 6 and last value should be 4 comma minus 3. Now we have to observe the sequence length how much here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The sequence length should be 14 is satisfied or not. Previous the question, the length should be 14. We have to just justify analysis. But here clearly we have to observe the sequence length should be 14. The 14 how we have to achieve the sequence length plus m. M is nothing but impulse sequence, that is 3 and minus 1. We have to get 14. How we have to getting this 14? Now we have to prove here. Okay. So this is the sequence length representation. This method is called as overlap save method representation. Is it clear, my dear students? Thank you. Have a nice day.